Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another unboxing video. Today we have something from LZMFG, but it's something I've actually needed for quite some time. As always, great packing. And here we have some Heatwave glasses. So I ended up joining the National Guard, and I'm going to need some better eye pro than what is standard military issue, which is why I went with Heatwave. They have the Z87 rated. Z87 is an OSHA rating, just basically means that it will protect, and I am more than positive that this passes ARC 670-1 as a part of my uniform standards. As you can see here, there is a sick looking case. And I'm probably going to have to get another set of these soon, pending how these work out. Come in some nice packaging. And these are awesome. They're polarized, you can see up here. And it's evident on the package as well. All black. Super excited to use these. I'll probably be driving and shooting with these as well. But overall, they look great. I'm super excited to use them. They have this awesome little microfiber bag that probably functions as a cleaner as well on the inside, and it comes in a great box. Looks like there's stickers as well. I'm always a sucker for stickers. Well, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.